Ready and start. In the said affidavit filed on 12th August 2004, he has stated that he got married to Sushita Yadav on 14th March 2004 at Alandi near Pune, and this marriage was after expiration to the limitation period to challenge the decree of divorce dated 10th December 2003. Full stop. He further claims that he registered the said second marriage on 4th July 2004 with the Registrar of Marriages. Full stop. The learned counsel for the respondents in his oral statements which have been placed before us as written submissions has opposed the appeal on the following grounds. Full stop. Para. On expiration of 1 year from 30th March 1999, the respondents was in law entitled to apply for a decree of divorce under section 13 bracket 1A of the Act, and he has been rightly granted the decree of divorce as there was no resumption for a period of more than 1 year and above after the decree for restitution of conjugal rights was granted. Full stop. Appeal was not filed in time, and in the meanwhile, the respondents is remarried. Full stop. Hence, the second marriage is required to be protected. Full stop. A pragmatic / practical approach warrants that when one of the parties is already married after the period of limitation had expired, the second marriage is required to be protected. Full stop. To constitute a wrong in terms of section 23 of the Act, there has been a positive act and / or action / conduct which is more than disinclination to cohabit on the part of the husband to frustrate decree for restitution, and such a case has been made out by the appellant while opposing his petition before the family court. Full stop. There is no pleading nor any evidence regarding the alleged adulterous life even after passing the decree of restitution. Full stop. In order to be a wrong, the conduct of the husband should be something more than mere disinclination to agree to an offer of reunion. It must be a misconduct so as to justify denial of relief. Full stop. The wife had failed to show that the husband was taking advantage of his own wrong occurring in section 23 within bracket 1 within bracket A of the Act. Full stop. Para. The photostat copy of the courier receipt which was put to the respondent during his cross-examination before the family court has not been exhibited and not proved, and therefore it is not admissible in evidence. Full stop. The evidence as a whole is contrary to the theory of alleged second marriage. Full stop. If the appeal is allowed, the second marriage would be destroyed. Full stop. His marriage has already ended de facto, and if the appeal is allowed, it would end de jure, and dismissal of the appeal is in consonance with the law laid down in the case of Surinder Ghosh versus Jaya Ghosh. Full stop and over.